Guys, second video here. We're looking at the organs of the upper GI tract in our digestive system. So you've watched the video where Blakely told you about her teeth and her tongue and her mouth. Some of the key parts about what's in your mouth is the saliva glands or the salivary glands. The main purpose of the salivary glands is to assist in chemical digestion in the mouth. And chemical digestion means your saliva or your spit has a special enzyme, and enzymes are there to speed up or break down things. So amylase is there to break down those carbohydrates, which is why the lab we're going to do on Friday, when you eat crackers and you keep chewing it and chewing it, it turns sweeter. That carb is broken down into simple sugars, so it helps with digestion. Okay, so teeth is next. Teeth are there for that mechanical digestion. So we know that salivary glands are there for chemical. Your teeth are there for mechanical digestion.
Yeah, like food they can chew on.
And you eat food and chew, you're right. Grinding and chewing, just like Blakely said, to break up food into smaller pieces, and we're prepping for absorption and digestion. So the teeth are there for mechanical digestion to break up pieces. Next, your tongue is used to push the food when you chew from side to side and back towards the pharynx when you swallow. So when it's time to swallow and you've chewed all your food, it is time for your tongue to move that food, or now it's called a bolus, back to the back of your throat for swallowing. So here is a picture of your throat. We've talked about the pharynx already. A pharynx shares a system with the respiratory system. Your nose and your mouth both are connected by the back of your throat, which is called the pharynx.
Yeah, and they have an ear in front of the mouth.
You see the ear too?
No, right.
Yeah, there's the ear. You're right. So the pharynx then allows the food to move from the mouth to the esophagus.
I'm going to show you.
In this next part, we're going to cover the next organs in the digestive system called the epiglottis and the esophagus.
Ew, what is that?
This here is the esophagus, and this is your food tube. Remember, the food tube just transports food from your mouth to your stomach. And when you chew and you eat things and you swallow it with the help of your teeth, tongue, and mouth, it only takes about 2 to 3 seconds for that peristalsis to move through your food tube from your mouth down to your stomach. And it kind of like constricts it as it moves it down. It's kneading it down your esophagus. We've talked about the epiglottis. I won't spend a lot of time here. The epiglottis is that little flap that covers your larynx so that we don't swallow food or drink liquid down into our respiratory system. If you ever cough a little bit after drinking water, people say that's going down the wrong pipe, and that's just a reflex your body has to try to get the liquid or food out of your larynx and your respiratory system. 2 more videos, one dealing with mechanical digestion and the last one dealing with chemical digestion.